Rival Technology, Xiamen Company Limited, whom is usually known as ArriTec, as well positioning us as a retail store display solution provider. Our goal is to meet and exceed the expectations of our clients by providing reliable products at reasonable prices and with good delivery time. Our product line includes an extensive assortment of point-of-purchase displays, store fixtures, retail accessories, and merchandising solutions, such as metal display stands, shelves, racks, wire displays, cabinets with displays, acrylic displays, home and office storage items, etc. With the highly sophisticated clients we serve, we understand that the satisfactory solution for one retailer may not fit the needs of another. Therefore, our experienced staffs of designers are available to address all of your individual needs, whether it is a set of custom props or a newly designed display line for your upcoming collection. We are continuously developing new and innovative display solutions to assist our clients to create a unique, well-designed and attractive showroom at exceptional savings. We believe that we all have a responsibility to look after our environment. We recognize that our business activities may cause a significant impact on this. We continually review our processes and procedures in the key areas. We work with TUV to ensure the strict environmental standards are achieved. We are grateful to your inquiries and opportunities. We are sincerely looking forward to the cooperation with you.